Picture this, a crisp, sunny day. You're cruising down a coastal highway, the wind in your hair. Suddenly, a low rumble breaks the silence. A flash of vibrant red or maybe a cool, sleek black catches your eye. You turn your head and see it, a Fox Body Mustang. It's a sight that never fails to turn heads. What makes this 80s icon so special? Let's embark on a journey through the history and legacy of the Fox Body Mustang. The story of the Fox Body Mustang is a classic tale of triumph over adversity. Born into a world grappling with an energy crisis and economic uncertainty, the Fox Body Mustang was a gamble for Ford, a bold bet on a car that was smaller, lighter, and more fuel-efficient than its predecessors. But Ford's gamble paid off. The Fox Body Mustang was a hit, exceeding all expectations and breathing new life into the Mustang nameplate. Its sleek, aerodynamic design, coupled with its impressive performance and affordable price tag, made it an instant classic. The Fox Body Mustang wasn't just a sales success, it was a cultural phenomenon. It captured the hearts and minds of a generation, becoming a symbol of hope, aspiration, and the enduring appeal of the American dream. The Fox Body Mustang revolutionized fuel efficiency. Ford engineers reduced weight and improved aerodynamics. Performance was not sacrificed. Smaller engines still delivered impressive power. From 4 cylinders to potent V8, the driving experience remained thrilling. Efficiency and performance balanced perfectly, appealing to both budget-conscious consumers and enthusiasts, ensuring the Mustang's survival during tough times. While the Fox Body Mustang's engines played a significant role, they were only part of the equation. True performance was about the entire package working in harmony. The suspension provided a balance of handling and comfort. It could carve corners with confidence and provide a comfortable ride. The Fox Body Mustang's performance was about the entire package working together. While the base Fox Body Mustang was a revelation, Ford had even bigger plans. In 1982, they unleashed the Mustang GT, a car that would quickly become a legend. The GT wasn't just about cosmetic upgrades, it was a comprehensive performance package. At its heart was the legendary 5.0-liter V8 engine, synonymous with American muscle. This engine delivered a healthy dose of horsepower and torque, making the Mustang GT a force on the street and track. But the GT was more than just a powerful engine, it received suspension upgrades to handle the power. These improvements transformed it into a true driver's car. The Mustang GT was an instant success, capturing the hearts of enthusiasts who craved performance and style. In the mid-1980s, Ford shook up the performance car world with the Mustang SVO. The SVO featured a turbocharged 2.3-liter 4-cylinder engine, competing with V8 rivals while delivering impressive fuel economy. It had adjustable suspension settings for fine-tuning handling. Unique styling elements like an offset hood scoop and biplane rear spoiler enhanced its aerodynamics. The SVO showcased Ford's commitment to innovation and performance. Despite its limited production run, the SVO left a lasting mark on Mustang history. It demonstrated that there was more than one way to build a thrilling performance car. In 1993, Ford revived the Cobra nameplate for the Fox Body Mustang. The 1993 Cobra showcased the platform's ultimate performance potential. It featured a potent 5.0-liter V8 engine with performance upgrades like GT40 cylinder heads and a larger throttle body. The Cobra's suspension was reworked for razor-sharp handling. Unique styling cues included an aggressive front bumper and a rear spoiler inspired by the Mustang SVT Cobra. Our limited production made the 1993 Cobra a highly sought-after collector's item. Its combination of performance, styling, and rarity solidified its status as a desirable Fox Body Mustang. The Fox Body Mustang's appeal extended beyond the factory gates. Its robust platform and aftermarket parts made it a prime candidate for tuners. Companies like Saleen, Roush, and Steeda transformed Fox Body Mustangs into track-ready weapons. They offered engine modifications, suspension enhancements, brake upgrades, and aerodynamic improvements. The aftermarket scene embraced the Fox Body Mustang, creating a thriving community of enthusiasts. Modified Fox Body Mustangs became a force to be reckoned with on drag strips and road courses. The Fox Body Mustang's popularity among tuners solidified its status as an icon in automotive modification. The Fox Body Mustang wasn't just a hit on the streets, it was destined for racing glory. Its lightweight design, potent engine options, and balanced handling made it a natural on the racetrack. Ford supported its racing endeavors, further solidifying the Fox Body's connection to motorsport. Private racing teams and enthusiasts unleashed the Fox Body Mustang's performance potential. Its affordability and aftermarket parts made it an attractive option for racers on a budget. The Fox Body Mustang's presence on the racetrack showcased its capabilities to the world. Racing endeavors provided valuable data for Ford engineers to improve the production car. The Fox Body Mustang's impact extends beyond horsepower and handling. It was a cultural phenomenon that captured the spirit of a generation. The Fox Body Mustang represented a time of change in the automotive landscape. It offered performance and affordability, speaking to the dreams of everyday people. This accessibility made it more than just a car, it was a symbol of aspiration. The Fox Body Mustang connected people to a community that shared a passion for speed and style. This sense of belonging is why the Fox Body Mustang continues to resonate with enthusiasts. Fox Body Mustang, a child of the 1980s, might be pushing its vintage years, but its spirit remains ageless. With dedication and elbow grease, these icons can be brought back to their former glory. The rewards are worth every ounce of effort. Rust is the arch nemesis of any classic car, and the Fox Body Mustang is no exception. Years of exposure to the elements can take their toll, leaving behind unsightly corrosion that can compromise the car's structural integrity. Inspecting the car for rust is paramount. Pay close attention to common trouble spots like the lower quarter panels, rocker panels, wheel wells, and the area around the rear window. Surface rust can often be addressed with sanding and rust treatment products, but more severe corrosion might require cutting out and welding in new metal. Underneath the car, inspect the frame rails, floor pans, and torque boxes for any signs of rust. These areas are crucial for the car's structural integrity and should be addressed with the utmost care. Remember, rust repair can be a tedious and time-consuming process, but it's essential for ensuring the longevity and safety of your restored Fox Body Mustang. Inside a well-preserved Fox Body Mustang is like taking a time machine back to the 1980s. Restoring the interior is about bringing back the character of the era while adding your personal touch. Start by addressing any damage to the dashboard, door panels, and center console. If the original upholstery is beyond repair, consider reupholstering the seats in a durable and stylish material. Restoring a Fox Body Mustang is a labor of love, a testament to the car's enduring appeal. The Ford Mustang. Even the name evokes images of American automotive legend, a lineage stretching back to the mid-1960s. From the groundbreaking first generation that ignited the pony car craze to the sleek, modern iterations gracing roads today, the Mustang has always represented a certain kind of freedom, a blend of performance, style, and attainable aspiration. But within this iconic family, each generation possesses its own distinct personality, a reflection of the era in which it was born and the automotive trends it helped shape. The Fox Body Mustang, arriving in 1979, was no exception. It inherited a legacy, a responsibility to carry the Mustang torch forward, but it also charted its own course, embracing a new design language and a philosophy that would redefine the Mustang for a new generation. To understand the Fox Body's place within the Mustang family, we need to acknowledge the giants that came before it and the descendants that followed in its tire tracks. So, you're ready to embark on your Fox Body adventure? The hunt for your dream Mustang can be as exciting as the drive itself. The internet is your friend. Online classifieds, auction sites, and dedicated Fox Body forums are treasure troves of potential steeds. Be specific in your searches, looking for a clean GT, a rare SVO, or a project car ripe for customization. Refine your search to avoid endless scrolling through irrelevant listings. Don't underestimate the power of word of mouth. Talk to other enthusiasts, join local Mustang clubs, and let it be known you're on the hunt. Sometimes the best cars are found through connections and inside knowledge. When inspecting a potential purchase, take your time. Don't rush the process. A patient approach will often reveal hidden issues or pleasant surprises. Well, folks, we've journeyed through the heart and soul of the Fox Body Mustang, a car that's far more than just a collection of metal, rubber, and horsepower. Its rise to automotive stardom and its enduring legacy as a cultural icon and a tuner's delight. It's the spirit of the car and raw, unadulterated driving enjoyment that transcends generations.